Okay, here I got my live water. It's already mixed up. There's some silk in there. Hello, live water. That's why it's kind of yellowish. That I've got my oils all oiled up. You see it looks a little thick. They're not melted. I just dumped them in there. And then I've got my oatmeal. It's 2 tablespoons of oatmeal. Ground up the oatmeal. It blends in. Now, for this next bit, I'm going to need to put the camera down because I need 2 hands. But I'm going to pour the lye water into the oil. And I don't think I can do that. Let's see. There.
The Federal Reserve is expected to approve credit card reforms today. There'll be good changes for customers, but they will be a while in coming.
To go into effect until 2010.
There. So now I have just mixed oil and water. And you can see it hasn't traced. It's pretty thin. Probably just barely emulsified. So I'm going to keep the stick blender in it. Okay, now I see a little bit of a sheen, so I've got a thin trace going on. I see a little bit of the surface. This would be an extremely thin trace. This would be good for a CP batch. Yeah. But that's not what I'm making. Now this is getting thick. Good and thick. And I look at that and I say, you know what? I think I want a little more oatmeal in here. That's not a lot of oatmeal, so I'm going to put some more oatmeal in. But you see how thick that trace is?
There's a lot of money that the monetary authority,
there. So now I just get my oatmeal, which is back behind the camera. Put another tablespoon of oatmeal. Oops. Tablespoon of oatmeal in. Sorry about the picture, guys. Nah, I'll do 2.
I can do pretty good if I put my money into the stock market. And it's just going to be this V. I love your optimism, but what is the possible obstacle to your theory of the V? The real obstacle
now let's
is
see.
The banking system
fast my trace has gotten. For most people, this would be a seized batch. This is how thick I like to have my trace when I am making an HP batch of soap. Look at that. I mean, that's clotted gravy.
Upturn in the business cycle, where businesses all of a sudden go, uh-oh, I don't have enough inventory here. People are coming into my store, people are going on the internet, they want to buy my product, my goods, my services, and I don't have the inventory. I don't have the people. I got to call some people back. What the rebound in the markets will signal to businesses.
See that?
Times are ahead.
That's some thick soap.
Myself.
Now we're going to go take this so you can't see my nasty kitchen. 170 degrees.
Absolutely, and at that point, it's going to be the real challenge for a lot of both monetary policy and fiscal policy. We just look at what the government's going to do. Because monetary policy, then
Put that on there.
Mop-up operation. Yeah, because we don't want to get into an inflationary situation. On the fiscal side, everyone's going to be
put a lid on it. Isn't that the cutest little pot?
Right. You did. You succeeded.
It's 9 o'clock.
Now what?
And
now
we'll come back when it's
What's
cooked.
The plan?
Now,
so, both fiscal and monetary
I have to clean up
face a real challenge once the turnaround
all
comes.
of this.
Sometimes there's some challenges you want. That's one of